What's going on, guys? So I'm out here at Imes, gonna be doing some herping. I've got a little surprise for you, because not only do we have, of course, Connor, but for the first time since, what was it, a video that me and my brother shot, the very first video I ever posted on YouTube was when we found a copperhead. So we were doing our hardcore wild thing. We have Cody and Connor, and we picked up this guy on the side of the street. So yeah, all three brothers together. It's the first time we've herped since that video, and that was 2008.
Yeah.
We've herped separately, but not together. In unison. And then Carl looking like a badass. Cody being a girl. Alright, so we have overcast conditions. And it's looking like that's going to be prime for king snakes. Let's get out of the road so we don't get hit. Prime conditions for king snakes. So, I don't know, Connor, what are you thinking we're going to find? What's our goal?
My goal is to find a worm snake. Worm snake, ringneck, king snake, snub turtle. Maybe
one goal.
Maybe another copperhead.
Okay. Carl, what's your goal?
Find something. Okay.
Cody, what's your goal?
Whatever is alive and slithering.
So snake. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna go check out the wall first, of course. Alright, so since it is overcast, I'm thinking our best bet's gonna be flipping. It's kind of what we're doing right now, starting out. It's nice having a crew to flip with. Lucas. Yeah, that was just for you. So with this many people, we should be able to get something fairly soon. Hopefully. Alright, so Cody's coming down here with what he just found.
I'm gonna leave him here.
And then Connor just got this little slimy right here.
He's gonna be.
Yeah. Cutie though. How is this one holding still for you to just be able to hold? Is he just a baby? Oh wow. That's a good size one right there. We found some that are almost twice that size out here. It's insane.
Jesus.
It's absolutely insane.
It's huge. Yep. That's what she said. Ew. It's very slimy.
Oh, just wait. It turns into sticky. Nice. You can get up there. I get up there all the time. Cody just found another slimy. That's a bigger one. He's also really pretty. Oh, yep. Okay.
Oh, he is.
I remember my first time herping. Grab him.
He's so gross.
He ain't gross.
What are you doing? Stop that. Stop. I can't get him. He's done.
No, you can get him here.
No, I'm not worried about it.
Right here we have a fence lizard. They are quick today. They are ridiculously quick. Come here, Cody. Look at this quality. I haven't zoomed in all the way.
Oh, wow.
Wait for it.
That's crazy.
Wow. It's a male. You see that blue?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's a male. I'm surprised he's not doing push-ups yet. Have you seen him do push-ups yet? You know what I'm talking about?
No. Oh, no, I know what you're talking about. Where they pump up?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Another slimy right here, and then Cody just got.
Oh. Ooh, he's been attacked by something.
Ooh, yeah, he has. Oh.
Why do you do this? Why do you do this? What is wrong with you? Ah.
What? You know they're slimy. Stop acting like a girl.
Defense mechanism. That's what
I know. No, you're scaring the hell out of him. Of course she's gonna. Good Lord. Well, it's good to know the slimies are out. They're out in force over here, apparently. Yeah. Cody found a centipede.
Very, very sinister looking one. I wouldn't touch that one.
Pick him up.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I thought you really were going to. Ooh. Is that the one that can hurt real bad?
Will sting the absolute far out of you.
Does he sting or bite?
Oh, he stings.
Any one of those pinchers on the back?
Yep. Go ahead, grab him.
I'm good. He's red, so it's... he's not doing anything. Ooh. Okay, let's drop him on my shoe.
This is why I can't bring me places.
What?
Where'd he go?
They can't kill you, can they?
No.
Okay.
They're not big enough. That's the jungle ones.
That's good
The
to
ones
know,
that,
because he could be in my pants by now.
That's why you don't bring me around wildlife.
Yep.
I just throw them around.
Before he takes off, got a little slimy. Oh. Hey, little dude. What are you doing? Okay, you don't want to play. That's cool. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see him or not that well, but right here is a southern two-lined salamander. In situ. You can see right there a little bit better. It's the first time I found one of these out here in a while. There we go. What are you doing, buddy? Super cool. I'm not going to disturb him too much. So I just put his little, whatever it was I flipped back. And let him come, kind of go back to doing his thing. Down. Connor just flipped two massive slimy salamanders. Here is one. You can kind of make out. Here, move it this way.
Yeah,
there's one right there. Under this leaf. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's there. He's gone. I think the other one's gone too.
He's right here.
Oh, the other one's right here?
Just roll it back just slowly.
Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Right there's the other one. He is massive.
Bigger.
There were two of them right there. I don't know if it's like a male and a female thing, but they're really big. Like his tail starts here, and this first leg is right here, so you can kind of tell a little bit how big he is. Oh, there he is. Wow. Yeah. Oh, really, dude? Really? Okay, I'm not going to squish him because it's hollow under there, but wow. Slimers are out in force today. So right here, I just flipped under the worm snake rock. Another little slimy. Jesus. Wish I was keeping track. That's probably like 14, 15 slimies we've seen. Ridiculous. Insane amount of slimies. Alright, I'm going to flip this back now. Oh! Okay. And where the rain stopped, whew, it is humid as crap out here, guys.
You do not want to mess with.
Huh?
That's the one you don't want to mess with.
What? What is it? Ooh, that thing looks gnarly. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with that. Cody, what you got going on there? He's got a male pencil. You made a friend.
Yeah.
Where's he going?
It's like all my friends, they run away.
I had that happen one time whenever I was herping, and one just crawled all over my shirt. I don't know where he went to, but I guess he's safe. I was going to relocate him, but I guess he's okay. Well, guys, sorry for if that seemed like a short little herping trip, but we were a little pressed for time anyway. But Cody's got to head out, so got to take Carl, because Carl got tired and hungry because he didn't prep for... Carl hasn't been out herping very much. So, he got a little hungry, a little tired. So, plus he works third shift, so you know what I mean. But, do you see something? Something large?
It's right here.
You want my snake stick?
Yes. But it was like right there. It was fairly large.
Huh. Well, we almost ended on a herp. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And yeah, it was a good time out with the bros, herping with the bros. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, Connor, you think you'll be in the next video?
Of course.
Yeah. All right, see you guys tomorrow.